Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. Today I have Grandstream GRP2615 and I'm going to register it on Grandstream PBX. So I'm going to show you how to register manually Grandstream IP phone. So first of all we will create extension in the PBX. If you have already created, then edit an extension which is not registered to any phone. So edit and see the SIP IX password, and now go to your phone and enter IP address of your PBX in the SIP server field and give a name as well. Then go down and enter the SIP user ID as the extension number. SIP authentication ID is same as extension number, and SIP authenticate password as your SIP IX password in the PBX. Now click on save and apply and check the status. So message icon is green and we can check from the account status the phone is registered. Similarly, we can see in the PBX the phone is registered and it is showing the IP address of GRP2615.